Different forms of energy. Let's discuss different forms of energy. Mechanical energy. It is the energy possessed by an object by virtue of its position or motion. For example, a moving car and a leaping frog. Thermal energy. It is the energy possessed within an object or a system due to the movement of its particles. It is generally measured by the heat it gives off. For example, melting ice and heating soup. Chemical energy. It is the energy stored in green plants, fuel, and food. When fuel is burned or food is digested, chemical energy gets converted into heat energy. Electromagnetic energy. Examples of electromagnetic energy are radio waves and visible light. Electrical energy. It is the energy possessed by charged particles. It is commonly known as electricity. For example, lightning and electricity in our homes. Nuclear energy. The energy released during nuclear fission or fusion is nuclear energy. For example, nuclear fission inside the Earth and nuclear fusion inside the Sun.
Major part of energy is obtained from the coal, petroleum and natural gas, hydropower, nuclear and wind power.
Non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy have accumulated in nature over a very long period of time, and when exhausted, cannot be replaced quickly or easily. Non-renewable sources of energy are fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Thermal power plant. In a thermal power plant, electricity is generated using superheated steam. Coal is burned to produce heat or thermal energy, which is used for heating water. Upon heating, water changes into steam. The steam then moves or spins turbines, which in turn activate generators to produce electricity. Thus, in essence, heat energy is converted into electrical energy. Hydroelectric power plants. The basic principle of hydroelectric power is that the potential energy of the water stored at great heights in dams is converted into kinetic energy by allowing the water to fall at high speed onto the blades of turbines. These turbines are connected to electricity generators. When the shaft of the turbine rotates, the coil of the generator also rotates and produces electricity.